Dear students, today I will tell you what do you understand by accounting. So, meaning of accounting. Accounting has rightly been termed as a language of the business. The basic function of a language is to serve as a means of communication. Accounting also serves this function. It communicates the results of business operations to various parties who have some stake in the business as follows: the proprietor, creditors, investors, government, and other agencies. The function of accounting is to provide quantitative information, not qualitative. It means it's totally related to quantity basis, not it doesn't matter, it's not impact or it's not matter by qualitative nature. Quantitative information primarily of financial nature about economic entities that is needed to be useful making economic decisions. It means how we maintain our accounts and what we do when we get the information, we communicate all the information to our accounting users in accounting. So definition of accounting: according to AICPA, means American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, accounting is the art of recording, means generalize the transactions or record the transactions, classifying in terms of to maintain the ledger, and summarizing in a summary form. We get the information by trial balance in a significant manner, in a proper manner, in a proper format, and in terms of money transactions and events, means we will consider only in financial or monetary transactions and events which are in part at least of financial character, and interpreting the results thereof, means when we get the result or we get the report, we communicate the report to the accounting users. Now I will tell you what do you understand by accountancy. Accountancy is the field of knowledge concerned with the principles and techniques which are applied in accounting in order to meet the specified need of a particular concern. So, as per according to Kohler, accountancy refers to the entire body of the theory and practice of accounting. It means accountancy is referred to the basic rules, regulations, and principles. And in accounting, we consider how we maintain our accounts and what are the results, and in what manner we communicate, and what is the benefit of accounting. But in accountancy, we only consider the rules, regulations, and principles. These are the entire body of theory and practice of accounting. Now, what do you understand by bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is a composite term. It's made by two terms, book and keeping. Book means to maintain our accounts, and keeping means to maintain in a systematic manner. So, bookkeeping is the art of recording the financial transactions of a business or an individual in terms of money or monetary in a set of books accurately and systematically in order to obtain necessary information other required, means in bookkeeping we only consider to maintain, to record the transaction in a systematic manner. In the words of LC Cropper, bookkeeping is the art of recording in a suitable form a person's business dealings so that at any time their nature and effect may be clearly seen. Thus, bookkeeping is the practical aspect involving the recording of business transaction systematically. So, what is the difference between accounting and bookkeeping? Accounting has a wider scope, but bookkeeping has a narrow scope. Bookkeeping is a part of accounting because in bookkeeping we only maintain or record our transaction in a systematic manner, but in accounting we maintain our accounts, we record the transaction, we classifying our transaction, we summarize our transaction, we maintain the reports, we analyzing, and we communicate the information to the accounting users. Now I will tell you what are the characteristics of accounting, means what are the features of accounting, what are the specialty of accounting, means number one, economic events. We can consider or we can divide it into two terms, internal events and external events. In internal event, basically first when we put our transactions, then first we consider these transactions related to our organization or not. These transactions is basically related to our internal term or external term. Means suppose if our organization has a branch, then we only consider internal matter, means one branch to another branch, the supply of goods, etc., basically consider to internal events. And in external events, other transactions related to external events, means we purchase the goods from outside, we sold the goods, and other expenses are included in external events. Then identifying, our second step will be identifying the transactions in qualitative or quantitative manner. It means we consider these transactions, first we consider these transactions related to internal matter or external matter, then we classify it in quantitative or qualitative term. These are related to quantitative term or qualitative term, because we only consider in accounting only quantitative terms, so we uh, classify it. Then recording, we record the transactions in a systematic manner. In journalizing, in classifying we maintain ledger accounts. Then in summarizing, we maintain trial balance. In measuring, we measure these terms related to monetary manner, financial character, or note. We only consider financial nature transactions. Then analyzing and interpreting, we analyze or we analyze the result, we maintain the report, we analyze, we maintain the result, and then interpret in a simple term, we maintain the report. And then communicating, we communicate these reports to our accounting users. These are the characteristics of scope. Now, scope or functions of accounting. Main functions of accounting means to keep systematic record of financial activities. What are the basic function of accounting? To keep systematic record. Why we maintain our accounts? Means to keep our transaction in a systematic manner. By the help of accounting, we maintain this. To protect the properties of the business, we protect our properties by the help of accounting. To communicate the financial result, we maintain our results, we maintain our reports, then we communicate to our users. To meet legal requirements, to fulfill our legal requirements, we maintain our accounting. To prevent and detect errors and frauds, to remove these errors and frauds, we maintain our accounts. Now, objectives of accounting: to keep systematic record of business transactions. So these are the objective of accounting, so that we can maintain our transactions in a systematic manner. To know about the profit or loss of the business, what is the position of our business, what is the financial position of our business. To communicate the information to the users. When we maintain our reports, then we communicate these reports to our users. To know the solvency position, it means what is our position, we are capable to pay outsiders or not. So we can also know this only by our accounting. Now, advantages of accounting. What are our advantages in accounting? Helpful in taking managerial decisions, because we got total information about accounting. What are our profit, and what are our assets, liabilities, and other information we can get only by the help of accounting. So managerial decision, managers can easily take the decision by the help of accounting. Then provides complete records. Managers can easily maintain their records by the help of accounting. Provides information about profit or loss. They can get profit or loss information by the help of accounting. Provides information regarding financial position. We can get the financial position by the help of accounting. Enables comparative study. Obviously, we can compare our study by previous year or previous to previous year by the help of accounts. Useful for future planning. We can take any decision for future by the help of accounting. And facilitates control. We can get the control, we can control in our organization only by the help of accounting. And number 8, helpful in detection of errors and frauds. We can find our errors and frauds by the help of accounting. Proof in court of law. When we maintain our accounts in systematic manner, in a format manner, then we can prove by the help of accounting, by the help of accounts in the court also. Helpful in assessment of tax liability, we can find our tax liability or what are the amount we will paid. So by the help of accounting. Information about debtors and creditors, we can also get the information regarding assets, regarding what are our liabilities and debtors and creditors, what amount we will receive and what we will be paid. So these information we can get only by the help of accounting. Now what are the limitations or drawbacks of accounting? There are many benefits of accounting, but there are some restrictions or some limitations or drawbacks of accounting also involved in this. So these are based on accounting concepts and conventions. As we know, in accountancy, we have learned about accountancy means in a systematic manner and principles and rules regulations based accounting. So based on accounting concepts and convention means this is our limitation. Accounting only based on concepts and conventions, we will follow these principles. Based on personal judgment, it's based on personal judgment, or it can be bias, and it can be personal judgment based on historical cost. Accounts, we will maintain accounts on the base of historical cost, means we will consider the previous or purchasing cost. So we will consider historical or previous or purchasing prices. Also suffers from window dressing, it means those information are shown to customers and anyone. So this is also a drawback of accounting. We can only consider which we have shown, only we can believe on that information. Unrealistic information, how we can believe on this information on only accounting based? So these are also unrealistic information. These can be absence of qualitative information. In accounting we only consider quantitative information or terms, we ignore qualitative information. Who person involved in these activities or what are the qualities of a person, these are ignored in this accounting. Not suitable for forecasting, so it's not totally suitable or not proper suitable for future basis or forecasting purpose. Thank you.